Are you frustrated when gathering your international trade documents? If only there was a better way to do it. KlearNow's data engine is an AI-powered software that processes your trade documents intelligently and futurizes your workflows in 3 easy steps. Simply copy in ClearNow.ai to your email thread with the trade documents. Create and define business rules based on your requirements. Now, sit back and watch as KlearNow's data engine takes care of the rest. Within moments, your documents are converted into data ready to fuel your custom filings or integrate with third-party platforms. That's it. You can say goodbye to chasing those documents and worrying about rekeying information into your system. With KlearNow Data Engine, you'll see operational efficiencies soar tenfold, saving time and money, all while eliminating costly errors. Taught by our licensed custom brokers and tested with our U.S. ABI-certified software since 2018, we give you a whopping 95% first-time hit rate and a 99.9% accuracy in transcribing your documents. With KlearNow Data Engine, you can stop worrying about managing and processing your international trade documents and get on with your next task. Visit our website and automate data entry processing with KlearNow Data Engine today.